equals your Lenovo ThinkPad L13 won't turn on. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often occurs due to a faulty battery or a power supply problem. We will check the internal components and replace any damaged parts to get your device up and running again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.